Hi everyone, for Evergreen Wellness, I'm Jaime Brenkus with your quick fit tip. You want a great arm toner in one movement? It's the push-up. Now I know it's difficult for most of us to get on the floor and do a regular push-up. Well, I've got the perfect remedy for you to achieve all the benefits without struggling on the floor. Do some wall push-ups, especially if you're just starting out. You can always work into more difficult push-ups. The angle dictates the exertion level, but these wall push-ups are great. They work your shoulders, your triceps, and of course your chest muscles. As you progress, you can increase the intensity of the movement by getting more horizontal to the floor. Do 25 daily. That means you'll get 750 repetitions during the month. Not bad to get you armed and ready.